recently I was looking for a desktop, and as you know guys, I am a big Dell fan, and what I've done is I've ordered a display from Dell, a monitor. It's a 27-inch monitor, a PC which is an i3, and I've ordered a keyboard and a mouse separately. So I'm going to do an unboxing, and if you guys are planning to buy a PC and you're looking for something, you know, affordable and something that you think that you can use on your day-to-day basis in your home, not for gaming really, but just for your normal work and maybe a few games, then I think that it's going to be a brilliant option. So let's get into the unboxing and let's check out what it looks like. So guys, usually Dell products, they come in such a packing. It says assembled in Poland over here. It's quite heavy, so I'll be struggling to turn it around. So that's why I'm just going to show you by spinning it on the floor. It says OptiPlex 3070, that's the series. It's got 8 GB memory, 256 GB SSD. It's got Windows 10 Pro. Now the reason I buy Dell products is that it usually comes with, of course it comes with Windows Home version, but because this is a business machine, OptiPlex, so it'll come with the Windows 10 Pro. Apart from that, it just has labels because that's the packing label. So that's the external packing. Let's go ahead and open it up and let's check it out what comes inside. As like with a lot of PC products, whenever you buy a PC, it always comes with a mouse, with a keyboard, and with the basic stuff. First thing is we have the UK plug, a mouse. Keyboard is the normal Dell keyboard. It's the keys are quite flush, standard keyboard. So after that, it's got this huge cardboard piece. I'm not sure what this has. And you have the OptiPlex machine inside. On the top you can see it has a power socket, Ethernet jack, 2 USB, 2 super speed USBs. I think that's a display port. It's got one HDMI port and an audio out. A Windows sticker on the bottom from the front. So I really like the mesh, this plastic mesh on top. And that's quite strange that it does come with a CD drive at the moment. And it says OptiPlex 3070. Got the service tag on the top. Windows Intel Core i3 9 Gen. It's a medium form factor machine, and on the bottom, if you look, there's some information like CE certification and so on. So guys, the first thing after that, we have a wireless mouse which I've ordered from Dell. So the mouse, as you can see from the packaging, it's grey in color. It says 36 months battery. Mobile wireless mouse on the bottom, made in China, some barcodes, a bit of information, a USB dongle, a Bluetooth mark, and on the rear it says that either you can connect the monitor or you can just pair it with your laptop. So let's go ahead and open this up. Really neatly packaged, beautiful color, gray, matte gray. So you need to pull that so that it can start working. The scroll wheel is quite decent, quite nice, and it's got this button, illumination button over here. And if I need to open it, I can just flip that open, and it say put a battery here. That is the dongle for it. So I'm going to take out the dongle, I'm going to plug that in, and the good thing is that the dongle is magnetic, so if I just leave that, it will just stick and it won't fall out. Apart from that, in the box it comes with some quick start guide. So it says Dell mobile mouse MS3320W, some warranty and safety information, and inside, as you can see, there is a battery as well. It's an alkaline battery. Forward first, and then that's it, and that's the power switch, and that is the pairing for 2 devices if you need to, and a beautiful gray keyboard. This is what I was actually looking for. I wanted to really, you know, when I saw it on the internet, I just really liked it. I mean, the color. So this basically just clicks over here. Keyboard. So it is a UK keyboard. The keys are slightly higher than my other HP keyboard. The HP keyboard looks quite fancy, but the keys are quite hard. but it's quite slim. See? But this one is a grey keyboard. It's really nice. So guys, I've set up the keyboard, I've set up the monitor. First of all, let me tell you that this monitor doesn't look that sharp as the HP monitor. Still, I'm going to keep it because the size is slightly larger than my last monitor. And in terms of the keyboard, as you can see, so this keyboard is the smaller keyboard. As you can see, it's a bit less than the grey keyboard, and the grey keyboard is a full-size keyboard. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do a quick speed test on my computer right now, and I'm going to connect the Dell OptiPlex and then check out the speed test on that, and then you guys can make out that you know, what's the difference. So I've just gone into Google and I'm going to use the user benchmark. It's an online sort of test. I did use it before as well, and we just need to establish that which one is faster. Both have got 8 GB RAM, both have got SSD 256 GB SSD, but different brands. That's HP and the other one is Dell. So let's see if Dell wins or HP wins. So yeah guys, as you can see, it's started to do some sort of test. So guys, right now we've got the Core i3 at 81.3%, which is excellent. Graphics card at 27.4% poor. Then we have the drive 151% outstanding, and memory kit is 44.5%, which is average, right? So here we go guys, I've just set up the Dell PC. It's a brand new computer, so I need to just go through the setup. Once that is done, we'll do the benchmark test. So guys, I've just set up the Dell PC. I've connected it to the internet, and now it's doing all the different tests. The same as the HP PC, and let's check out the results in a second. Performing below, so 79.2, 5.06 terrible. Graphics, because it doesn't have a graphic card. SSD is 123%, and the memory kit is 42.1%. So guys, this wraps up my video for the unboxing of the Dell PC, its monitor, the keyboard and the mouse. And if you're planning to buy this package, now I'm not saying that the speed isn't that great, but it's really worthwhile because it was quite cost effective. I think so it was £457, which is not a bad deal. And it'll do your day-to-day tasks like working in Excel. You can play a few games on it, and it's new tech. 9th generation Core i3 should do the job. But you can't do like photo editing, and you can, but you can't really, you know, do the complicated stuff, and you can't do the complicated video editing on it. But I would say that for this price, it's a great computer. Go for it. I really love the monitor, but the PC, my views are really not that great. But still, it's a great whole kit if you're planning to buy. Alright guys, if you have any questions, leave it in the comment section below, and thanks for watching my video. Do subscribe to the channel for more content. So I'll catch you in my next video. Take it easy guys. Bye.